BalkanDad makes Musaka? Okay, let me show you how we make the Musaka in former Yugoslavia. Peel the potatoes. Wash the potato. Cut. Add oil and mix. Cut the onion. Put oil in the pan. Add onion. Add minced meat. Add salt and pepper. And Musaka parsley bread. Vegeta. And paprika. That's it. Oil the baking dish. Now put one layer of potato. Now one layer of meat. And keep making the layers. Oh, look at the layers. Time for the prelude, the sauce. 3 eggs. Put some oil, add salt and flour. Put 1 cup milk. Slowly pour over the Musaka. Now bake. Vidje, Musaka. Oh, look at that. Wow.